Alright, so right now we want to look at how to actually use the Fibonacci retracement tool. So as far as the retracement tool, we're focused on retracements in the market. So we want to look at entry points. So we're going to check out the start of the trend. So technically we can start there, or we can start at the second leg. I'm going to start at the second leg. So pretty much at this point we're at a phase where we believe the market will actually retrace. Down from here, I bring it down to the lowest low that it actually made. Or technically you can actually go to where it currently is or close to it. And then we make our targets either at, actually I'll just highlight it with the box. We can make this our first target to 38.2, but our overall target would actually be the 618 point. So it could actually do a full retracement from here on out, from here to here, start of the trend to the current position, well, close to the current position. And then so we expect it to retrace at this point and then sell off. If we were to do it the other way around, then it would be something like that. 618, bam. But overall, at this point, we just want to kind of, let me actually find an actual buy trend to actually go off of. Or I'll start from here. So from here on out, we believe that it's going to sell and then retrace and buy. So as you can tell, it started from this area. It rose up here. We believed that the sell was coming. It dropped to multiple different levels that we were actually anticipating. It actually broke through the 38.2. We could have said made that a first TP, the 50 line. But primarily we want to go after the 618. Yes, it exceeded it a little bit. That's okay. But we still want to take it at the 618. But then overall we want to look for an opportunity to buy. The buy happened. It bounced off of the 618 point and it kept going. And then that's where the sell trend happened again, because we see an M pattern. If this wasn't here, we would have guessed because of that was there, this would have been a head and shoulders pattern. Or because of this, we could have analyzed that it would have been a head and shoulders pattern, an extended one. And then we would have started from the beginning of the trend and been looking for reasons to buy or when to sell. But ultimately, that is how you use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Use it at the beginning of the trend, current point. You can start at the first leg or second leg. People have said multiple things. Second leg is better. But ultimately, decision's yours.